Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and today we have got with us the Panasonic Eluga Z1 Pro, which is their artificial intelligence powered smartphone, and this is one of the most premium smartphones from Panasonic recently. In this video, I'm going to unbox this phone, give you a features overview, tell you all about the key features and my impressions of this phone. This phone is launched in two variants, the Z1 and Z1 Pro. We have the Z1 Pro, which is the more loaded variant. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and it's priced at 17,490, available at all major retail stores. You can also get the Z1 at a lower price of 14,490, and that phone is available with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. So both the phones are almost identical in terms of design and features. Only difference is the RAM and internal storage. So if you want the fully loaded one, go for the Pro, which we have here. So before opening the box, let me quickly show you what is mentioned on the box here. Some of the key features: it has a 19:9 notch display, an octa-core MediaTek Helio P22 processor, AI Sense face unlocking, 4+64 ROM. It has a large battery of 4000 mAh, dual rear camera with AI, front camera with flash with AI, and there is also Swift key pre-installed for faster and quicker, more accurate typing. So as soon as you open the box, the first thing that you get is this leaflet. It says making your smartphone smarter. It comes with Arbo Hub, which is their artificial intelligence software AI hub. We have done a separate video on AI hub Arbo, so I'm linking that in the description section if you want to check that out. In fact, do check that out. That's a good video about this feature, Arbo hub, which is quite feature rich. And this is the black color of the Eluga Z1 Pro, and it does look quite good in terms of design. There is a plastic protecting layer at the back, so let me just quickly peel this off. This is a metal design which does look quite good and premium. Panasonic branding here, fingerprint scanner. I'll show you the phone closely in a little while. Let me first show you what else you get in the box. So here you have some IMEI stickers. Removing this layer, we get a SIM removal tool. Then we have some documentation. This is a quick start guide, warranty information card, and there's also a screen protector in the box. Since it comes with a notch display, it comes with a special screen protector which is included. Going further, we get a power brick. This one is 10 watt, 5 volt and 2 ampere. There is another small accessory box here, and this box contains a pair of in-the-ear type earphones. These look quite good in quality, very nicely finished. And this is a 3.5 mm earphone. So this is the other tip, and here you have a button to accept and reject call with inline microphone. And then you have a standard data cable, which is a USB to micro USB data cable. And that's all in the box. Let me get rid of everything and get back to the phone. And here is the Panasonic Eluga Z1 Pro. As you can see, the back looks quite elegant, and this is matte finished black color in metal, which looks really good. There is Panasonic branding, a fingerprint scanner just on top of it. On the rear, it gets a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel dual camera setup with LED flash. On the right hand side of the phone, you get power wake up key followed by the volume rockers above it. The left side gets a SIM card tray. Let me quickly pop it open and show you the SIM card configuration. So the SIM card tray that we get here is a dual SIM hybrid SIM tray. As you can see, you can put either two SIM cards or one SIM and one micro SD card in this. The bottom of the phone gets charging port as well as primary microphone hole, and on top of the phone is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. On the front we get a 6.19 inch notch display. It comes with 19:9 aspect ratio, It comes with 2.5D curved glass for a premium touch feel, and the phone does feel quite good and rich to hold in hand. The phone is quite slick and slim, and it's only about 8 millimeters thick, while it still houses a large 4000 mAh battery. And here we are after a quick setup of this phone, and as you can see, the first thing that you notice here is our really slim bezels. It comes with 2.5D curved glass. The phone feels really nice to touch, and it has this beautiful 6.19 inch or 6.2 inch display, which comes with 19:9 aspect ratio. We really like the display quality. Next, I want to show you, which is one of the most interesting feature of this phone, is the cameras. It gets a dual camera at the rear, which is AI enabled, and the front camera is also AI enabled, which gives you some very interesting features. Going to the camera app, you can find that there are a lot of modes already inbuilt, and it uses artificial intelligence to improve on the pictures. There are also extra modes including professional, time-lapse, slow motion, live photos, face emoji, group selfie. So all these features are really good in terms of capabilities. It actually enhances your capabilities. For example, if you go to Pro mode, you can control a lot of features like exposure compensation, ISO, white balance. You can also change the shutter speed and the focus, which is quite good in terms of capabilities. You can reset all the settings from here. The face emoji is also very interesting. It switches to the front camera. You can select the characters that you want, and when you speak, it mimics your face. Look closely. As I speak, it is following my lips, so it is quite interesting. If I wink to it, it just winks. So you can create a video message with these emojis, and you can select the emoji of your choice and create really fun messages to send to your friends. And it works wonderfully. You can just turn your head, you can move it up and down, side to side. When you speak, it mimics your lips. So it is quite a fun way of conveying your messages. Let me show you some other features. So there are other modes including backlight, photo, night mode, video mode, etc. Let me quickly display the bokeh mode to you. To turn on the bokeh mode, you have to hit on this bokeh button on top, and once you do that, it uses the second camera sensor, which is the depth sensor, for sensing the depth of the objects in the frame. Ideally, you should have a longer length in your frame. This one is not as long, but still it's doing a good job. As you can see, this picture I just took in bokeh mode, the front object is quite clear, whereas the rear objects are very nicely out of focus. You can see that black colored box in the background, that ball, this Android character here, it is all blurred out, and the object is in sharp focus. And also the front facing selfie camera, which is the 8 megapixel front facing camera, is also quite wide and gives you bokeh mode. So let me turn off the bokeh and give you a selfie here. And once I turn on the bokeh by clicking here, there's also a wide selfie. I'll show you that in a second, but let me first show you the results here. So this is the one with bokeh mode on. You can see that fan on the wall is quite blurred out. All the pictures on the wall are blurred out, and here you can see the background as well. The picture comes out to be really sharp. The face is very clear. You can see the the face very clearly in close-up, and this is doing a great job when it comes to taking selfies. It's quite wide, and if you want to fit more people in the selfie, there's also a wide selfie. It's called group selfie, and what you do is you click and then you turn the phone left and right, and it takes a wider selfie. So let me give you a quick comparison. This is a wide selfie that I have just taken. You can see the width from my shoulder to the other end. It has clicked the camera and everything in the background. This is how a wide selfie or a group selfie works. This is a regular selfie, and this is a wide selfie. You can see the difference, almost 3 times the details in the same image. A lot of details captured. You can see the ceiling, you can see the background. So it works wonderfully well. It's not a gimmick, it does work, and it does work beautifully. So the camera application using AI here works well. It enhances the pictures after you click them. So the AI actually tries to recognize the object in the image, and based on the object in the image, it enhances the features of the image, it enhances the color quality, etc. That's how AI usually works with cameras. And there's also a front-facing flash provided here. And not only front-facing flash and front-facing AI camera, it also has AI Sense Face Unlock. Let me quickly demonstrate the same to you. To make the AI Face Unlock work, you first have to go to the security settings and register a face. And this is as simple as that. It has registered my face and it will unlock when I look at the phone. So I'm not using fingerprint, I'm just turning it towards myself, and as soon as I turn it towards my face, it works. So this time the phone is looking at the camera, and as soon as I turn it towards myself like this, it unlocks. It takes fraction of seconds and it unlocks the phone very quickly. There's also fingerprint enrolled, so if I unlock this with the fingerprint, so on a count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and it unlocks. So both the face unlock as well as fingerprint unlock are available on this phone, and they both work perfectly fine and they are very fast. So that's a great feature. Now let me briefly talk about the performance of this phone. And this phone is paired with a Helio P22 octa-core chipset, which comes with artificial intelligence enabled chip. So what it means is that it's really fast, it is very good at AI and does not consume too much battery. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. In terms of battery, it has a 4000 mAh battery, which is fairly large, and still the phone is quite slim, which is commendable. It also has the OTG charging capability, which means that if you have two phones and the other phone or the other device is running out of charge, you can use the battery of this phone to charge the other phone. That's a really wonderful thing. This phone will easily last you one full day with the 4000 mAh battery that it offers. Some of the key software highlights of this phone are that it is running Android 8.1 Oreo right out of the box. So it is one of the newer builds of Android. It's very fast, it's very fluid, and it reflects in the performance of this phone. And Arbo Hub is also preloaded. Arbo Hub is the artificial intelligence a hub that provides you a lot of features, lot of applications. There are plenty of things that have been integrated into Arbo Hub, and we have a separate video on that. I'm leaving the link in the description section where you can check out more details about the Arbo Hub. And if you are style conscious and you bother a lot about the color of your phone, you have 3 color options to choose from. The classic black that we have, the vibrant blue, and there's also gold if you like some bling. So summing up my impressions of this phone is fast, it looks good, it has a beautiful design, it comes with great set of cameras, a beautiful display, it is fast, it's powerful, it's loaded in terms of software and gives you good hardware specifications. With artificial intelligence, face unlock, you get AI enabled camera features and a lot more for a very attractive price point. I'm leaving more details and links in the description section. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Do leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Stay subscribed for more and press that bell icon for latest video updates. This is all we have in this video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching and have a good day.